Hello, in this video I want to talk about a challenge that I see in Stack Overflow. One of the users has a question about a circle menu, and after that I want to answer it, and uh, we can see in the monitor uh, his question. He have some question about this UI, and he found one package, but I tried to implement it without package and with Flutter and Dart. I I was answer uh, his questions, and you can see the link of question in video description. I try to make a custom painter and create circle. After that, implement these segments. For example, in this image we have 6 segments, and after that we have some widgets in each segment. And I was trying to implement that, and the code is here, and I wanna show to you how can and when with which method I can do this. Okay, this is a final result, and this is a circle, this is segments, and this is menus that I set some icon in there, and we can change the icons, and everything we need we can replace with this icon. Okay, I want to bring the code. Before that, I want to share you my path to go through this answer and the final widget. I was trying. First of all, I create this circle with custom paint method. For example, I want to show you this method is draw circle. We set the offset to center of circle and the radius. We can use that, and after that, yeah, we pass a center, we pass a radius, and we also can some paint. For example, our paint has a red color, and finally we have a red circle without these segments. Okay, uh, after the circle we needed some segments, some lines to create segments equal on our circle. That I was some search that how can do these sections, create and add these sections in my circle, because I don't understand the mathematical of that. And because of that I was searching, and okay, in this result we found the draw circle method. I forgot this. After that I search for split the circle, and I can found some sites and mass formula, and for example this is a calculator. For that we pass the radius, after that we pass a segment, and this site said to us, if you want 8 segments, each segment need to have 45 degree in each segment, and we probably got ready on. I go to it after this segment, okay, and I found this site, this for example this answer, this formula said to us how can found the coordinates, because we need the coordinate of each point. If we have a 6 segment, I need to have 6 segments for each line to create this line correctly and equally. Okay, This formula set to us for yeah, with this formula I can get a radian for each segment, and after with this radian I can found x and y for the coordinate. And for these I create this for loop in my custom paint, and this custom paint we have some count. For example, in this example we have a 6, and 6 times we go to this for loop and implement this formula in my code, and this O variable has a radian of my segment, and after that with this O we can get cos and sin for got the x and y. After that we have x and y and can pass line 2 to exact coordinate. We draw a line from center to each segment, and after line 2 we need to back to center for another line, and this is answer that we are center, we go this coordinate. After that we move to center again, line this segment back, line this segment back, and uh, the count time. After that we are drawing this path in our canvas, and we have these results for example we have a paint one that has a white color, and if we change the color our line was a different color, and our circle with segments is done. After that I want to get this position for our menus item, for example icons or widget or column or row or everything you want. This method do this for us, get widgets, and we have exact formula because we need to have these coordinates with a stack, and with a stack I wanna pass a rect. I create a position from rect. With this method I found the x and y and passed our custom height and width. But if I comment this and run it again, we can see the result to what's happened. Okay, you can see that our widget is exact to the line, because with this formula we can go to this line, but we need to the center of between this line. Because of that I add this formula. This formula is calculate the degrees of each segment. For example, in this example, because our count is 6 and our degrees, it could be sorry 60. We have a 60 degree for each segment in this, and we need to divide by this is degree of each radian. We need to divide by 1 radian, and after that we need the center, because of that the result is divide by 0. If divide by 1 we got the same result, but I need to 2 because we need a center. If I passed, for example, another number, we got some another position, but we needed 2 divide by 2 because we need a center of each segment. Okay, after that I found the center between 2 lines, and if this is like this, for example, yeah, this is like this, we can pass this again and it's same thing. Okay, this is exact same, because we don't want to the end of the circle our widget to be, and we need to be have this widget is somewhere our center of this widget, because I divide by divide by 3 to exact center. If divide by 4, it's very 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 close to the center of circle, but 3 is a very good number for that, and we can change the count of segments, and the formulas work great. For example, if I pass the count in here, for example 8, you can see that what's happened, it's not work. Why? Okay, it's need to be a restart, and you can see if we change the segments, the formulas work great and we don't have any problem. If I change it, for example, to 4, it's need to refresh again, and it's work great. Okay, if you have some questions or have some bugs in my code, if you see that, please tell me, and that's it.